way
But
for sure,
honestly,
for
so
sure.
a big part of that, though, is what we've experienced in the supply chain over the last 2.5 years.
Right, exactly.
Never, man, like in the whole time we've been in this business, right? One of the things we've always taught people is don't let your differentiator be your price, right? Price is not a differentiator,
Right.
right? That's when you become a commodity, man.
Right.
You know? And one of the interesting things is on multi sides of this business, right? The LCD manufacturers did it,
Right.
right? A race to the bottom,
Yeah.
right? Let's chop prices, chop
Yes,
to get
yes.
down.
That used to frustrate us so
Right?
much.
The China factories are struggling to stay in business right now because there's no margin left.
Right.
Right? They're
Yeah.
putting out crappy products, right? Crappy LCDs. The end user doesn't know the quality of the LCDs whatsoever.
Right.
Right? Not only does the customer not know, because they're being educated by repair shops that don't know, and it's no fault of you guys in the repair shops.
Right.
You don't know. You're buying them from suppliers that they don't know. They're
Right.
just trading companies.
Right.
Right? So that's part one of it.
Yeah.
Is the margin's been squeezed out by this chop to the bottom.
Right.
And it happened two ways. It happened on the supply chain side. And when the margins got really healthy, instead of people maintaining their margins, what did they do? Oh, well, William's set up over here and he's charging $100 for this iPhone repair.
Right.
So I'm gonna open my store up, I'm gonna charge 80.
Right.
Right?
Chop,
and
chop.
then Josephine opens up, I'm gonna charge 60.
Chop, chop.
Boom. And then what happens? Miguel opens up, he charges 40.
Right.
Right? I mean, you can see that's a zero-sum game, man.
Yeah.
Like, that's not going to last that long.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And if you play that game where you are price battling somebody, that is literally the definition of a race to the bottom.
Right.
Because it's just a matter of who's going to go out of business first.